Welcome, and it's a XIAOMI Mi 10, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So, begin by finding the content that you wish to capture, which, as an example, I'm just gonna use the home screen right here. And once you have it open, there is two ways you can capture it. So number one would be to either hold power key and volume down, like so. It will give you this animation, and there is the captured image, as you can see. And the second way you can do it is with 3 fingers, swipe down, and it also takes the screenshot. You can also tap on it, if I did it quick enough. So once you capture it, you can tap on it, and from here you can send it, edit it, add some text and additional stuff, resize it as well if you wish to, make it smaller, delete it or save it once you made some adjustments, so like so. And then all the images that I have captured can now be found in your photo gallery, and under the albums it should create a screenshot album. There it is. So you can tap on it, and there are the screenshots. There's the cropped one, and there are the 2 other ones that I captured. There we go. So you can see them being right here. So that is basically how you would capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.